What's up, YouTube? Just over here getting ready to take apart these columns. Hope you enjoy this video. Alright, so there's a look at those columns. They're all rotted out. There's the new stuff. And of course the demo. On to cutting up some new corners. It was raining here. Doesn't look like it was raining, but it was raining. Then I built up them said corners. Fun times in the garage while it was raining. And nailing on the new stuff. And I furred out for the paneling, so all the reveals would be nice on the corner pieces. And there's a look at the nice flashing at the end. Put some nice flashing on there. Alright guys, I hope you liked that video on me rebuilding these columns. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.